It's that time of year to brace yourself for an incredible event.
Get ready for an experience that will set your soul on fire.
Feel the beat of innovation where two worlds collide at the world's only property restoration and insurance festival.
Get ready for state-of-the-art tech, leadership growth, and sales strategies that'll rock your world.
Experience a festival of forward thinkers through groundbreaking sessions, unparalleled education, and coveted IICRC credits.
But beyond the surface, discover the ultimate industry event where networking sparks inspiration.
Imagine stepping into a festival atmosphere, pulsating with energy and excitement.
Set in the vibrant heart of the live music capital of the world, Austin, Texas.
What's a festival without extra activities?
Get ready for pickleball tournaments, sunrise yoga sessions that rejuvenate, and even a golf simulator to test your swing.
Rub shoulders with high net worth carriers, mingle with restoration professionals, and explore a marketplace bustling with the best vendors in the industry.
Join us if you're ready to elevate your game and connect with the best in the industry here in Austin, July 8th through the 10th.
Let's rock this festival together. We'll see you there.